I can quite get your management because yeah, but one night workable about my TV in a video, you know, I was just chilling, decided to engage him in 1 or 2 conversations. So we talked, we interacted for a length. So on our reply, I'm going to throw in some things. Like I said previously, in a video governor did that we are supposed to be a form of working. I understand I made a mistake. Let I go. But he's just pushing a narrative all the time because you felt that you need the untouchable. Man, why is that? Came and Kaimara on cause. Madam, we can go see this microphone, for example. Now, go see here. When the mama bought us also this microphone, go on your hand. Your mama no one kwalo gini, on kwalo ozo, de kwano odosa somewhere. So we got your mkuno get here one night maku. And some of the questions and the interaction that went on last night on social media regarding some of the trending and some of the things people are doing to bring down Zion ministry by all means. If not another ministries of God, Akayakwatoge, especially in the by. So many people are no good so go poor, so many people are no good so go poor. A lot of people are no good so go mecha. Still some people can take this in here. Ihe chukwu na bubata na bunu ni jiwe nwe anole ke na agbamba. Just that they banned me from posting their videos on my platform. So I'm not posting that video on YouTube again. I'm not posting that video because they contacted somebody I know saying that I should bring down their videos, that kind of thing. So every of the videos I brought it down on my YouTube. Wednesday here. Forgetting the fact that no one introduce Zulu on YouTube and before. Most of all these guys, nobody knew them on this platform. You can be popular on Facebook, but you are not popular on this platform. Let I go. Oh, I can na at least another platform. Or at least okay everywhere in case easy. In case better, call the league. So I end this video. Got the one.
You want to report me to nature? Guys, you are talking about Umobontu village. 5003. This traffic is frustrating. Okay, you want to report me to 5,000 years tree so that nature will bring me back to Nigeria. Open. Yeah, I'll condemn. It's like I'll go the other way. Mom, the traffic away. Let me follow the other way. Yeah, I'll condemn. The truth of the whole thing is that I hope best. I'm doing great. I hope you had a nice day. The truth of the whole thing is that, like I said on my previous video, any dri teach Ophonia lesson. Like any dri use Ophonia as a scapegoat, so that others will learn. All this the arrange. Only on arrange, it will take evidence arrange. Oh yeah, me sometimes I know here Elijah Enugu, like the thing will be pissing me off because he is the one that started this whole thing. He is the one that started this whole thing. You know? Any slighted thing, I say arrange. Very shameless people. And adult as old as Governor Zoku is. You may put on social media name misbehave. He was doing well. A lot of people were regarding him. Don't scratch my motor. Maybe in age. Scratch my motor. Una de kwe konyo ozo ba na line. You know? when he started, a lot of people were regarding him that this guy, my own name, before you know it, I'll turn on to something else. You see money, if you go, on your own, there is so much interest, nego. If any guy on that there is so much interest, nego, and I have a fine life. If you are a young guy or as a human being, he brought so much interest, nego. Everything can you get go? This one he deserve go. Like that person and have a fine life. And I guess when he can, I got comparing was the person that had a fine life. You know, because there are some certain things so kwesiri like allow nature. How many nature universe nka. They can't even wait or deal with those universe or some of these things to bless them. Any little thing happen. Ego. All since he had a belly face, he follow out of favor from Ako Zion. Ka ara bidozibo wazie governor Ezioku. Ara Zion ministry. Because of money. Belly face yamwa all the upgrade go. Upgrade go to upgrade go obere. Go be upgrading. You know? Go be upgrade or they can. Since you're not just saying why, or they are such a condition, or they okay, at least all are quite true. Get that focus to go to now. One giant vat, you only a mecharon divine as well in China. Here was and Nandi, they're a most of them, as your minister, are like EJ, Kajeku, Metonia, Jonia, and swimming came honka. You know? So I didn't on the side that the barrister and your co-embassy, I warn them that I should stop talking this thing about Zion. This one, guy, forget about all those things. You know, the matter of the thing is that some of these people, how many guys don't know social media? They don't know when we started doing all this social media stuff, trying to defend all these lies from these people. You know, I don't want to talk about that. It's like somebody tagged me on that video or write up. They're saying that the barrister man, the sequoia, something. He was referring to Ako on that post. Amam Kosi did that post. You know? These people are evil. Also, they are who know we hear na barrister Nandi Kuruna Azu or Kura against Ako or whatever. Why you get Buptia now? Why must he try to bring it out now? You know? The same lifestyle in J-Park in AB. All the same lifestyle in J-Park in AB, yeah. In a manipulating money. In a cocoition. You know, I could remember my director. Something about Akuzion and all this their thing, Nagana. You know, my director wrote to J-Park, inbox Francis, based on him assigning on to this one, that one. J-Park posted that thing in public for everybody to see. You know, any guy you now, Guinea, when misunderstanding, don't kiss the caution, don't kiss the chini advice, especially what that has to do with public. In secret, but no, onye abrono, onye how a guy. You see any guy who na gini our friends, who na emekwe no na ekubaka na eme their thing. Onwe ka gini asi no obere misunderstanding, obere crash. Oje bupte yahu nkuru na secret about one particular person, Niro, to get back at you. That person will fall. So what he was trying to do on that post now is called a coisi barista Nandi na Kozayon on. You know? But that is their business. I could remember sometimes last year, the barista Nandi came out to, I think he commented on my post to stop talking about man of God, stop talking about something like that. Evangelist book, I just won't consider that thing. You know, just like Kafanatoni said last time that I'm the one causing issue. Most of them don't know how those things started. That's why sometimes I will just be looking at everybody. Oh, gaho, I think that by Nandi may appear na what are they calling it, safe? Their live video. Oh God, those things nada. I think that by Nandi may appear na their live video or something. You know, I don't know. I can't remember. So they are manchi. Hopefully they book they whatever they discuss in private, in public. That is it. Like I used to tell these people, some of you want to be friends with everybody. Some of these people, they want to be friends with everybody, and now waiting go buy them. Have talk, have bro friends to this person, friends to this person. Now waiting go buy most of them. So Igbo Channels TV, Chibozo, whatever he's trying to tell by Sandland or whatever, or Yamuke call, or how my in private or in secret, you know. For me, I don't have time for all those ones. But what I'm saying is, all this, all this why can't Governor Ezeoku move on? Here was your ministry now, like honor Aburionu here was your ministry. He just put a video according to that guy, because the guy called me actually, you know. I asked the guy a lot of questions. See, okay, all these things you are saying. There is one particular video I saw on social media. The video is out there. When you are kind of testifying, somebody is calling you a pastor. Hey, you need to go major in the line now. Guy, what are I was asking the guy, that video, and a pastor in a testimony or kind of whatever, what's the video all about? Was the video recent? The guy said no, that video 2021. Oge ogorana. Anaho no ya no kita. Ojena his church. You know, onye Chineke mere ihe ọma. Nyekwe testimony. You know, but I still have a lot of things to ask the guy. Can I make that video? See where Potter? Osayana, your Jacqueline, I see you. Because one analyze the issue. That's how I do my own analysis. particular video must have come from either the papa of that ministry, the guys from our ministry, or from their church member. But after my analysis, the key suspect and suspecting is the papa of that ministry. Ndoro. That's the main person I'm suspecting. Yes, the guy said that video was 2021. The guy Ebuniya. Siunu na eje la ministry nke ne testimony. Eje ministry nke yes I dey deceive nka. I will say if of course it go that thing. Or didn't know everything. Yini na we you could but na emechazi ka okwu topu nke phone. Just for people believe. You know exactly what he did. The video he made regarding that Jonathan of a guy. Last time he was shouting. I saw one of the video. I said, "No, we can't see a kuna break everything." And I beg them to say it. I dare all these people to say it. As far as I'm concerned, Zion ministry all this Umubacha ministry. Zion ministry don't deal on all those things. Aburamu, all these village poor bloggers just who know about Zion. Now I talk about I will make Zion member key one before I start talking about Zion ministry. As I did like this, all the way his ministry made by Kumkum, I should know. I can bet my life that there is nothing like RNG in Zion ministry. So that's why I dare Governor Eziokwu and the J Park in that period for them to come out. How obtain that secret about the Jonathan and Ezezo. They should bring out that secret. They should. Hana Bushi. Now, two of them will sabo. And they live a kind of the same manipulative lifestyle. I manipulate each other the publics like this. If you don't know, be so cool. Yeah, man, I say. And I'm going this woman now. I have a canteen. You know. So as I was saying, I'm expecting either the papa of that church, because maybe Ophelia member one also or whatever, I don't know. Or video the guy the testimony or go and read the guy or go and nefi o ji arori oru arocha ori ihe na ebe na ebe go ji mebisie testimony that guy. It's not as if the guy even gave testimony self, because I saw his video. Evangelist same guy was passing on it, he's walking, you know, like out of excitement. Oh yeah, una mba him and like you know that this grace is working, and they try to sabotage that that particular sin from that guy. That's excitement, you know. Because undia buronu, mama come. Because undia buronu, yeah, na choto be ka afu any small video from Zion with Evangelist Ebuka. Ka budia twist yozbo. And they know that a lot of things are going wrong on social media. that once people say arrange, especially since like Jenugu Puta, we see arrange, I mean, you know. Once they could hear Basara arrange, evangelist because of me, a lot of gullible people will believe like a hacky TV there. But that guy should go ahead and pick Governor Eziokwu up. Nobody is above him arrest. As far as I'm concerned, pick here up, tear among. Then we'll provide you send that video. Or with evidence in that house in your own way. Okay, you provide. I'm another blogger second post to that thing. They should also pick that person up as well. For them to present all those evidence. Can this rubbish Jose? Because if not, others will be doing it. Can I make a video 2021? So here was here a recent video. And I got in a church, name fake testimony, thank God the guy is smart enough. That guy with all every evidence of hearing on Agwam. The guy with evidence of everything on Agwam. Go to my Uber app, you are not there. Trips on Oga go not there. His mom also not there. That can attest the fact that now we are okay. We got got this church, and na testimony I will go Hana. And even na the my pastor. This I na where. You know, one of the things I like is that the guy Abu Honyibo. Oh, we call him by him, him by a couple there. The guy Abu Honyibo, only Calabar, only a Bible. Whenever goes to know. So he should not spare all these people. So that others will learn. Arrange. One bastard from a poor useless family. Name her future. And a cook with much after my own. Arrange. Jessica, one idiot to see me last time. Jessica saw ya. Don't defend what you don't know. Jessica like Jenugusi, I will put that in say. You are defending what you don't know. Oh, you bastard in Awam the other day. Say Chineke Mabuku idiot. Again came and I defend. All these bastards are the major problem I know on social media. Ana chikoch kohana achisa. Ana chikohana achisa. Ana chikohana achisa. Today maya ka berima. Ana enye testimony, ana enye fake testimony, ana ema arrange. Gini kana arrange room ni ho. Here we are ga arrange room for what? Mama, this girl should I come back here then? Or should I park this place? Kediye biwa na emeru na arrange na Saga ministry. Nkona afọ ha na arrange. Nkona kwuru arrange. Kediye biya ha na emeru na arrange. I saw a video. Was it last week? I think. He did a video, a post. Can I say that one the paralyzed, one na garage and adoration. You all want us to believe that it actually happened, right? You can't have arrange. We all should believe because all this arrange of 18 with the Kobido spread when Abia. You all want us to believe that one, but other ones they may say any other place you arrange. Always like the more I think this thing, the more I'm like my brain now asa. Here for a tout, they won't have future na page here. Ibunye video na rubbish because they fortunate enough eating 100 naira data. A match chapter neku and a melon data range for what reason or can people now be like the more I think all these things, the more I don't even know where to place it. A porter with full force that the guy was never an Uber driver, with full confidence. Hello. That the guy was never an Uber driver. You know? With full confidence, as if you need the show. Or not again at the person be. You now. See. I talk you have 33 million. I say hamba una herikwe evangelist ebuku odi oru a di ekperima na azi ara horo ofuma obu adigo one boy nwuru anwu onye mama oshi ka o jeri izu na site Zion ministry ndị security aka ndị nche ndị obi agbari atufuo gba ya ka nchi oburu ya mere kwugide onye topori ọnụ otie na ha mee nke onye topori ọnụ onwebe ihe na okwu beho onwebe ihe ha na onye topori ọnụ and amakwa m the reason why ha just no ogbu ya nkịtị onye esusu ya because Yangwa be doing all these things, and whatever he said, some gullible people must believe. There shall be deliverance, there shall be holiness, and house of Jacob shall possess their possession. I have this guy contacts. I told him already, and I will still tell him they should never allow this thing slide. He should never allow this thing slide. Because if not, others will be doing it. Ubiri hasigina harenji. Ubiri hasigina harenji. Oburundi aburono. Ihe jama na ndị Igbo Bible ndị ọjọọ, ndị Igbo ndị ubi ọjọọ, ndị Igbo Bible dị njọ. Sonso fuze ministry a. Sonso fuze ministry a no wu ya nwa ihe eji asị ga na Igbo person get the ministry. The man is Igbo. Sonso fu hire sa now eji aka. Oh yeah, na cho ka mechie from every angle. Where he check inside nke ndị father on the Igbo. He check inside nke ndị dibia on the Igbo. Onye nke puta ọkọ nke ya. Since how many years? Kana kofu akwa. Since how many years? This is the more reason why For some of these people, maybe they were interested in social media or for like people like this Barrister Nandi, Igbo Channels TV. You are telling me that now he's trying to say one or two things about him. Most of them, I'm okay. How long can these people say Kwado? They don't know. Even when J-Pack started identifying with Akuzion and some of his Zion ministry members, I'm on a very good day. I know. J-Pack. How are we below the drag himself? How are we below the Zion or crackers biscuit from day one? At some point, Amam Kosi this year, he also said, "If was it, Yanako, or a baby on a belly facing her, I can't move your eyes on that. What do you want? Name me everything. Or finish here, not right here. I'm on a very good day. I get disappointed, I get betrayed, minister. I know. And that can make some people who did more as Elijah Canada where I be. Like this. I know that these people will still betray Zion ministry. I know a lot of them. You know, because someone else read him mad. Especially any guy who own ego, bure guzo. If any guy who own a bure guzo, any guy who own a bure guzo, don't trust that person. Ona burego who he can do too much love of money as a guy, as a human being. Do not trust that person. Okay, betray you on a very good day. So I know that these people, okay, Hannah Mengo are dining with Akuzion. I know that these people on a very good day, get power Akuzion azu, power Zion ministry azu. Right from day one, here one man squad. I don't need friends. My kind of person. I don't need too much friends, and I can be friends with everybody. I am one man squad. I do my thing. Anytime I feel like to blog or do things, anytime I feel like Anzo Ikena award, just like his last 2 weeks, I've been watching everybody. All this today, this weekend, can resume blogging. I've been watching everybody. Everybody say me their thing. I knew that on a very good day, I gave betray. That's why I had a home surprise. You know? Oh God, this thing we do. I conquer. The Chawazie, a grown-up man, a matured man. You get your fellow man, but I think kata. It is because so that unu falls out of favor. He booked in public. Ka akoro ga ka di mere ofuma. Ya ya ozi enu nwuru ana nwuru everywhere nwuru. Any little thing, I see no nya asekwa nka, okwagiwa kwuru nka, ogusi ihe ndi ona no no obi karom. All these people, nobody can come out. Say na mu anka ase. Mu anka jeru, mu anka kwuru. No, we jikwe contact. All these people want no eji contact. Oh, eji contact him. You eji contact him ke mu na ge ya na aba. Why mu na ge ya na aba? Ndi nke eji godo eji. Ndị nke on my WhatsApp can tell. Unu ga fuzi can say reply message. Those of you who do my WhatsApp, you can attest how I used to respond messages. Talk more of Kamuna again, able to give person. A becky from Ogen no Bayo. You know, Maniga Jamana, these people, woman. Gina Madi G somebody or the ministry coasere Ogaho Oje Kiesi dinner a bad booty in public or I give us a quanka. Obudi he greediness na anyuku na cause. Obro na oga ha na achọ ka evangelist because amnesty na akwa 33 million naira. Na ako emeri approve or na ha the money. How can you want this thing on social media? How ya na akọ kita now? Ha na akọ ofuma. But no, because of without that money. And some of the things, some of the business, Ocho Kojiringo Bana me. Oya Bangi, Ihewiwe. Governor Onyemurumiri today. Some of the business, actually, Jomuiha and other things we made by Kunkum. Manatros on my account. I could waste more guy man or Joe. I could before you now put a baby, Oma gave BC a banner. Ako Gambo John, all these things that plays out. Adema, we am. Ako knows. But I'm talking now. Watch. Oh, side copy. Okay, hatch up as in no ways in everywhere. I don't understand the Igbo language. I need to learn. That thing. You don't understand the Igbo language. Oh, yeah, go and marry Igbo person. So. Go and marry Igbo person. You know, when they notice that every door they want to, come in to do business with the location of Zemnesi Tungopara has closed. It's not even telling them anything. And I cause it in Kajime, on Kayemeho, audio billionaire, this one, that one. Igejama, now that governor Yoku wa John Mado. And those of you who make here with people like that should be very careful. This fallout to hang with Ako. Did I scare you? You can be in a use Miromoto. Somebody like him, you can check since how will this fall out. Since I'm since last year, beginning of this year. But this guy Kabuye was as a ministry, no be I can call ya. It's not for to move on in life. Oh, we are no be. What can I what can I through what are they calling it now? Side talks. Any guy on an be no be too much. Why John mad? Somebody like me, if we are friends and it happened that is no longer working, one man may move with speed. And may move with speed. Canada no. You won't believe. Because you don't underwrite me. I know me can not chuggy. Only keep one name. I don't care who you are. Once it's no longer working. Why? Because I'm kind of guy that always want to focus. I don't dwell so much on the past. I never like things here they whole doom like within me. But you can take it since far back, since how many months now? Manaka na akọ Zion, Zion akụ Zion, Zion akụ Zion nka. Oh yeah, come lose our house getting cause of the self. Local government chairman. Teacher Onilanya, Dishanamite, Dishanam Wanye Jidia Piawayazo. Oluso. Just like that. Asegina nature would not more than believe. Asegina Okwanecho kana but the Igbo Channel TV or Kanokweba. Chibuzo Okwanecho kana abia. Condemn na kidi ha na abia yourself. Asegina nature would not more than believe. If you know more nke wezioku. Same with God. Some of you na moon name you na God will do this one, God will do that one. Ka fada ihe rurai, fada ihe kwesiri nyai. Some of you name una chiricha plate na akpo Chineke. You think God is stupid? Iche na nature na akpo dari iberibe. Iche na ha amaghị ihe. You think they don't know the truth and nothing but the truth. Or you think they fight based on your stupid emotions? They don't. They know the real truth and they always do their thing accordingly. You know? Go and win now. Why did you do onye ọnwụna wajo mmadụ onye na-ebu ihe n'obi ihe anaghị agadi ya. Onye ọnwụna na-ebu ihe n'obi iwajo mmadụ ihe na-esiri ike ka ọ gaara onye ahụ. Chegoro ma space ọ dị n'ihu face. Onye ọnwụna na-ebu ihe n'obi ọ na-afịa ahụ ka o progress ya in life. On are very hard. Keep progress here in life. You know? Tell me that this lady move because said. On a fear how onye on and be no be progress here in life. Because age be a kunshi. God ada he believe. Nature no na bo ada he believe. It must always hunt you down. You know? Okay, I think I'll park off there. Mama, this lady on Apple can have a I'm up one way. You know? Oh, kwa nature. Oh, nature ka ha na-akpọ ya now. Ndị nke na-akpọ nature. Ndị nke na-akpọ God. Ndị nke na-akpọ send them na mission. Send them na mission. Ofu evangelist buka bia. Ofu evangelist buka na Zion ministry. Ka na-ata ka crackers biscuit for years. For years. Ndị nke na-akpọ nature bịa n'ọrụ n'ụmọgụ. Nature bịa n'ọrụ n'ụmọgụ. Fadị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị adị ma anụzi onu ya ka ezi ebe ọ nọ. O dekwa ka nụrụ onu fadị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị. Fadị ihe rubere anyị. Fadị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị ihe rubere anyị. ihe kwesịrị inye anyị otekwa ka nụrụ onu ya. Anyways, I did kind of active on Facebook like that. Keze boy nke ahụ no. Ofe evangelist Ebuka kuna ataka crackers biscuit. Since how many years? He can't have una. Others are busy. Na-eme their thing. Unu nwawu ina iburu ekwensu jiri unu kwarụ ngwa ọrụ. Some of them guys say nka onwe ihe dịka nka nka. The main reason why most of you all those things arrange my people na-ekwu ya, or people na testify, or people like na akọwa ka ihe se dịrị ha ka ha bido bịa Zion, ka ha bịa Zion, is because unu bụ ihe ọzọ n'obi wee bịa. You see Zion ministry, as far as I'm concerned, once you come to Zion with open heart, with killing mind, with all sincerity, you must achieve it. It must go for you. Oh, Elijah Canada can't work. I won't lie for you. I won't lie to you guys. Oh, more Elijah Canada. I can't lie to you guys. Oh, no, Naji, killing heart. I mean, open mind. We bear that Zion ministry with all sincerity. Not how achieve greatness. But the main reason most of you the moon be a buru course. Borocho wena is that do nebu hoso no biabia. Most of you nebu ego abia. Most of you nebu business. Business aspect of it. I'm an people na bed, I'm an men's na bed here. Like I'm you know. Most of you spirit of a perima. Or who be at that place. That's why I always tell you guys. You think God is stupid? Oh my, mobi on your own. Oh mobi in Chanine. God knows our heart. If it in India, the ministry, name all this Kiana body yourself. I just got me here na ishime murugo. I guess you about this thing or whatever. If it in your ministry with the Ajobi or Buri or John Obi, that whatever people are receiving there, that you receive it. Ibro ego na abia. Instead, you not receive blessing. You not receive curse. Somebody like me, I never have anything that has to do with money in mind to give me in Zion. All my prayer now, God, now your blessing I need, now your grace I need, because don't kill your muka. That is why everyone angafe today grace and AC. Ngafe hanana grace. Here no grace and AC. Because on can be from God, and on can be from the one. Can be from God, not from human. Most of this umwe perima I service Igbo Channel. Igbo Channel. He deserve kano bottle Henneken. He deserve engo beer na abania. He deserve engo beer. But mba ine me fast ya engo beer. I service my brother. Nisi mejugo. If you are coming there, I service. Can't forget this one, that one. Kosu kibuana. You can never go with blessing. Cause in our blog, in a man another thing, as far as it has to do with the ministry. In a mere base no me I service. Cause or Hibuana. That is the reason why I got for that. He had said and can't how make her like this. Ira say mba gwa iga go ndi e no go ebe asinso wonu nke mere gi kezi mba ya ga abu asi mba ha si mba na ke ko mba isi menwu Canada enye ba ko ego na eji eme Canada eme gi mba o akuza yo mmeri mba o za mnisi o bi o you know ke ka the other guy kezi afia si ba America this one ke ka this guy na agbo taizi si just bia within some months osuo ndi na-echefuru echefu akpọbịa omenka o paint uno member forget ya onye akpọ n'azụ gobie ya ka gu ya ka oje mare nje customer ka a na-achọ mụ na-agakwa n'ebe a since agago m ebe a since ama m gara ebe ama m ndị na-aga dio na nke a jibe nke emehọ ọ maka na ibu ekperi ma ibu onye oshi ibu kruk ihe iji abịara o maka ị na-ada afa eme evangelist ka sị ngwanye ya 300,000 ngwanye ya 500,000 weta 1 million naira anyị family a chọọ ka a na-enye gị ihe a na-enye ndị ụwa na ihe ndị ụwa na-atụ n'ọnụ less privilege maka na ị na-etinye anya na ihe a na-enye ndị less privilege meanwhile you are better than them. Oh yeah, mate. This you can never receive any grace from that altar. You can never. Because what became mepe. I'm telling you the truth. Oh, Elijah Canada can. You don't say when I no rate me. Oh my God, I can't hearing. You guys don't rate me. Oh, Elijah Canada can. I'm telling you what I know. You know? Onye ona gbasapụrụ obi mepu obi ya or the open only anything that has to do with the ministry church like when it matters most in our fools and ihe a na-agari ya like oya na-eme ka magic mana iburu onye oshi ị na-etinye anya n'ụmụ all those things ihe kwesịrị inye anyị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị ihe kwesịrị inye anyị onwe bi ji azụ aga ekperi maka ewu ọ ya eme ihe tuye ị ga-anọ kwa ọdas na-abịa kwa na-eburu ngozi na-eburu blessing you know oh yeah, most of these people I would have said some certain things but I won't say it. Somebody like me, I know a lot regarding all this whole thing trend, all this whole thing from day one. About Zion, Evangelist Ebuka, Zion, this one, that one, Elijah. I know a lot, but I'm going to go on public. I know a lot. You know? But talk on the grown-up man like a Governor Ezioku. Somebody, people once confiding. Name is thing on social media. Gazina was here like was here scrap. Na cause the issue every day. Fenfe pelicoma. Na cause the issue. Oberi he see ma sigi na arrange. Come arrange. Does it mean that God cannot do something for his people anymore? Or buzindi dibia nyanzu bo ebe something yememu because everything buze arrange nko na arrange onwezi ihe na-eme onwezi like nothing good can come from serving the Lord, right? Is that what you guys trying to tell me? Obu because now some business, most of you will know be the ministry. I walk on. And you have no chance in me. Oya kunjitono. Oya kunjitono zero tiger. Oya na regard kwani oya na regard governance ku na wo. O me ko oya na cho give away. All mess go we are up full time. J-Park kakusia myself. J-Park na wapo China. You know. Metusi majai. Yama wo go na ofikota ihu. Na call him ne pussy here then when you see no. How many updates I have drop volume like this? Make sure that me investigate before I post to that thing. I drop on my head post. For him to come out and say that that guy is never an Uber driver. Because you know an idiot. For him to come out and say that with full confidence that this guy is never an Uber driver. This shit is funny. It's not funny. Some of these people, like I said, because you know, only so that others will learn. Because this nonsense is getting out of hand. Yeah? It's getting out of hand. And according to that guy, now people now patronize here, now sisi na OJC join is here in the church, gine ka akpọsiri yourself. Ndị na-eme magic n'ụlọ ụka, ndị eji eme advertisement n'ụlọ ụka. Ọ bụrụ ihe bastard because of his own selfish interest we put on social media. What we are not sure of. I menka that video. I will look for that video. Okay, nke Jonathan, he was basically saying that he will say some certain things. Everybody got this shock. No get security behind Jonathan, the padlock man. That's what he said. And I dare them. How do you care at that period? Because I didn't show me how just manipulation can manipulate people on social media. If I just say because they about time, for Chandler I said that ticham, then I say don't reach here or bridge me range. What they call the other girl they can him now maho. We get the mob. Sin obia go no oji menka has no oji marriage. If I turn at the level of Zelmnis, I go do marriage. Or Buddha of it, we get the mob age feature no. Mob no go 2 years. Kaya jibia meru arrange. All this is not making any sense to me. So like I said, I discussed with that guy, I think Godwin is his name. This morning, we spoke on WhatsApp and I asked him a lot of questions. This night, this evening, I think I saw his message on WhatsApp that his legal team are on it already. They should never allow it to slide. How need their fundraising? They should let me know. As far as room will govern Ezioku and Co. To chair room na Abuja. If possible, to chair send the anum key and a Canada back and go on and Jibataba will not have the key. So that others will learn. Because this whole thing is getting out of hand. This whole thing is getting out of hand. is calling me. Don't call me, I'll call you back, okay? It's no longer making any sense. You know? It's no longer making any sense. They need to put it to a stop. Onye on after ha bia ku ha na arrange nka jibenke eme ho. Mudo na onye ahu. Come provide the evidence of the arrange. That is the only way most of them will learn. Because whether you like it or not, some people are believing all these things. Social media, I know, we have a lot of gullible people. Whether you like it or not. I have a lot of gullible people on social media. Ndi uche hadik uche atoro. You see on side that has suicide. You see on side that has suicide. We have a lot of them. And those people are the main target of all these people. Oh, majority of them. That's why Igeji afraid a bastard. I was following Evangelist Ebuka before this and that, but after Elijah Enugu come out and say hey, I stop following. I do this one. I do that one. Hey. Oh yeah, ready. Ndina they use common sense. Oh yeah, and I'm going to use your common sense. Use your common sense. Pay attention to your spirit. I went to Quebec City on Friday just for weekend vacation with some of my colleagues and friends. Oh my pilot, see from my city, Quebec City almost 4 hours drive. I remember 140, 160 also. About 140, 160, not even about 187. When we are going, I like to play Zell Ministry song. Nanyamoto. I always feel comfortable playing Zell Ministry song. Oh, we go Zell Ministry na bo. Obo nka. Oh, we go Zell Ministry na bo. We no on highway I in Quebec City. I have an India friend. An India friend though, how an Efe Shifa Hindu on Azumuto. I'm commander Canadian no na Azumuto. That Indian girl Buzowesi, this song is it a gospel song like you know CIS no gospel song. See why Joe. I say that Diego ne stop spirit here. Oh, because he saw no Igbo. Na Diego na touch on a panic spirit on a near goosebump. Like on a feel a presence of like the spirit of God. An India girl na got me here. I must make good now about that they say. I must make good now. I can't remember that music. Oh, you know, a Christian. None of these songs that na Nanyamoto. Or same na Diego ne dystopia na spirit. On a shaky spirit here. CIS. No your question. Neighbor na go spirit of God is there. Life and direct. Obro cho. Oya kiga same niga watch a child evangelist Ebuka watch as your ministry watch check his program watch check everything is got there. He say man marriage. Are you mad? Ibonya ala. That means the day quit that go against yoku or need to possess. Matter of fact, most of these people they possess. Or need to possess You know? An India girl. An India girl. Let me call her girl. 28 years. She's still a young girl, if I should put it that way. Now what this thing? That is this song. You know, on carry onubai, on go Igbo, like on carry Igbo nego, you also, you know. So other but what also job is this a Christian song? Say yes, because they know that I'm a Christian. And I identify steady. I don't care. If you don't like me as a Christian, you know, you have your own whatever to believe. I have mine to believe. Also, na Diego de shake spirit ya. Oh, ya kagima we perima. Gano ne ti arrange. Dema ya no na si arrange. Na eme arrange. Ogodu ne na ha afu so idi ha anu ihe na ntị ma o ri ndabuski. Ogodu ne na ha afu so ị na ha anu ihe na ntị. Uno una for the program say on ministry. He say mba na something is happening here, something is here. Ida go against yoku. You're not telling yourself the truth. God forgot all those ones are neku. Or because of no, most of you will be mad. Even so business, business. Adam na most of a lot of them now buy evangelist Ebuka Periko. A lot of funding can no around now. Ejirigo Nzama body evangelist Ebuka. Ejirigo Nzama body evangelist Ebuka. Oh yeah, most of them so. Nabia. Ozie kesi abachieba honya si arokam. I say no we secret oge reach you. But come up to social media ku hani ya ewodi. I say yo kwa arrange ka na media. Yo kwanka. Chamba genu na ago. Since mbatara. Most of you like case you cool yourself now. Max Posima Sibo Ranu Kunuji Chineke akpo unu oku hapunu Kunuji Usene evangelist Ebuka crackers biscuit Eta ka crackers biscuit Chineke agba unu oku oya mere Father Jepota sigide ye kwesiri nyai enwere ihe kwesiri nyai nye ofoya na alu mansion na alu castle na alu mansion ya funa inugudu nwanyi ga ha mu nwa imugudu nwa amu ya eme nka ini na he na alu uke na ngwele ke na aru dia aru ye kwesiri nyai enwere ihe kwesiri nyai Odi kwesiri nyai anyi ona aru mansion ye kwesiri nyai nye go onye oshi ekperima ambago enu gazu eke biko nko mo bere appointment na mgbeda bona ya meje dai no come my parking movement make ko ni hojo kim park here. Olha que já como uma olha que já como uma anda garibia com ticket anda fera go ticket shower gas Fuck yeah, you. Jidenu Governor Ezoku to cheer room na Abuja. That's what I'm saying. To cheer room ya na Abuja. Jidenu Mahama Chisom. Oye nke a depossess. Nwa amame water. Oye nke a bụ nwa amame water. Ama Chisom digo depossess. Ama Chisom bugodo nwa amame water.
Should be start free. Hey.
You are immirable. Get the moon. We be Zion ministry. We be Zion only.